Related environmental issues concern the synthesis of green ammonia by using, during its production, decarbonized energy, such as renewable energies, in order to make a completely renewable natural gas. Sofrigam has harnessed the potential of this molecule to develop a 21st century refrigerant. A refrigerant that is mastered, decarbonized, highly mobile and performs well. The group has harnessed its 40 years expertise in thermodynamics to make the principle of solid gas sorption available for the world and the people living in it, and as a result, creates infinite cycles which see it subjected to a precise temperature without the matter suffering any waste, a technology called Coldway. The process is firstly composed of a phase during which refrigerant is produced. Ammonia changes phases from solid to gas thanks to the change in pressure. It evaporates and this creates cold temperatures. The precise temperature is consequently managed thanks to this change in pressure. The ammonia in the form of gas then enters the reactor, where upon being put in contact with a mix of salt graphite, it is absorbed in order to be stored. Once the ammonia has been absorbed by the salt, a source of heat enables the ammonia to separate from the salt graphite mix, which, once put under pressure again, returns to its solid form. It thus goes back to the evaporator. This is referred to as the reloading phase. The group helps and supports the producers and industrial companies through the very heart of cities by applying the technology to soft mobility intended for city centers and urban deliveries. Developed and qualified for each customer and each type of use, innovation clicks onto the vehicles of today and tomorrow just like Lego. From rolls to ultra-light vehicles, from onboard chambers to autonomous droids, mastered and certified refrigerant with an obligation for results is now available for all mobility players in order to meet the challenges of both today's world and that of the future.